So in this video, we're going to talk about Under Armour, and as you can see, Friday price did collapse 8% as one analyst on Wall Street is suspect on their turnaround plans. And before we get into the charts, let's look at why this particular analyst questions their game plan moving forward. So on Friday, Under Armour stock continued its downward trajectory, dropping as much as 8.8%. The decline followed the company's investor day on December 12th, which left analysts weighing in on the sporting company's future. The presentation led to a 13% drop in shares over the week as market participants digested the details and implications of the company's strategy. So you had BMO Capital expressing a measurable optimism, noting that while the investor day was light on numbers, it highlighted Under Armour's strategy to premiumize the brand and suggested significant marketing efforts ahead. Then you had Morgan Stanley. They maintained their cautious stance, pointing out that Under Armour's go-forward plan, while it's clear and the new leadership has some credibility, the market is skeptical about the timeline of the company's inflection point. And the firm's underweight thesis remains unchanged, citing the early stage of a turnaround and potential risk to out-year EPS, among other concerns. All right, so the proof is in the pudding. This is the monthly chart. And as you can see, price is near all-time lows versus all-time highs. And so one would think that price is selling at a discount, but it all depends on future growth. Now, the charts are suggesting the bottom is in. Price didn't quite hit this monthly buy level, as price found support at about $6, about that $6 level. But this is level that I was looking at, rally base, rally out. Now these other lines, rectangle boxes, those are levels of interest. And if we scroll down to the weekly chart, this was a daily level. The closest weekly sell level is up near $12.40. And you know that there are unfilled sell orders because price wicked up, couldn't even get to put his toes in the water before collapsing. All right, I do want to show you that daily level. You had a drop in price. Base, and then rally. On very high volume. Again, price pulls back, could not get his toes, could not close the gap, telling you that there are buy orders, unfilled buy orders, waiting to get filled at about 650. Now, depending on your strategy, you did have a gap fill. The price was tanking. This was a good level to target as a day trade. Don't really see any levels of interest within this price range. So I would anticipate more choppy trading. Although if you do go to smaller levels, like the 15-minute chart, you could trade it. As I do in my videos, moving averages serve either as dynamic support or resistance, in this case resistance, and so one could have went short sub $9.60. Could have went short at this drop in price. Base drop retest That's the gap fill on earnings. Don't really see any other levels of interest. And so how do you trade Under Armour? Well, you just sit on your hands or you find another setup. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.